Hello everyone, we are Group 8. Today, our group will present the topic, the role of government in economic development, with a focus on FDI-led manufacturing development. In this presentation, we will compare Malaysia and Vietnam. Both countries are developing economics in Southeast Asia, and both have used foreign direct investment, or FDI, to support manufacturing growth and economic development. Now let's begin the research background. This topic is important because foreign direct investment, or FDI, has become a major strategy for many developing countries to promote manufacturing development and economic growth. However, FDI does not automatically bring long-term benefits. Government policy is very important. Governments need to create investment-friendly policies, build infrastructure, develop industrial zones, and attract foreign manufacturing firms. At the same time, FDI can help create jobs, increases export, and support industrial upgrading for countries like Malaysia and Vietnam. The key issue is not only how to attract FDI, but also how to use FDI effectively for long-term development. So, the main idea of this study is that FDI needs strong government policy to become a real driver of sustainable economic development.
First, let's talk about our problem statement. We want to find out if government policies in Malaysia and Vietnam can help FDI drive manufacturing boost long-term economic growth. Right now, both countries face common issues over reliance on foreign companies, slow technology sharing, few local suppliers, and weak industry employment. Next is the research gap. Most past studies look at Malaysia and Vietnam's FDI and manufacturing separately. Few workers compare their governmental policies on FDI-led manufacturing together. Finally, the research significance. This study can show developing countries how to make a good use of policies. We aim to turn FDI into lasting economic gains, instead of only short-term growth in production and exports.
This part explaining our research objective and research questions. Our study focuses on how Malaysia and Vietnam use government policy to attract foreign direct investment, especially into the manufacturing sectors. We want to look at the policy such as tax incentives, industrial zones, infrastructure development, and the support of the foreign companies. We also want to understand how FDI-led manufacturing affects the economy. This includes recreate more job opportunities, increase export, and helping both countries upgrade their industries, so better technology and skills. At the same time, we will compare Malaysia and Vietnam to see how their structure and similar and how they differ. Malaysia has more established manufacturing sector, while Vietnam has experienced rapid growth in recent years. This makes the comparison useful because both countries attract foreign investment in a different way. Our research also looked at the possible risk of relying too much foreign investment. This risk may include dependence on multinational companies, limited benefit for local business, and vulnerability to change in the global economy. Overall, these research questions will help us understand whether FDI-led manufacturing can support stable and sustainable long-term economic development in Malaysia and Vietnam.
Hello everyone, I will be talking the literature review and methodology. Our literature review centers on 6 key research areas. First, we analyze how governments design policies, incentives, infrastructure, and industry zones to affect foreign direct investment. Then, we discuss how FDI boosts manufacturing, expansion, employment, export, and industry upgrading. Meanwhile, we point out a critical risk: FDI may cause reliance on foreign firms if local enterprise workers and suppliers cannot upgrade their competitiveness. For methodology, this study used a comparative case study method. We collected data from government reports, international institutions like the World Bank and the OECD, as well as official industry documents from Malaysia and Vietnam. This reliable source lay a solid foundation for our later cross-country comparison.
Hello everyone, today I want to talk about Malaysia's manufacturing development led by FDI. Malaysian making friendly ruler to bring foreign direct investment into the manufacturing industry. The government takes many useful steps. First, MIDA helps and promotes foreign investment a lot. Second, manufacturing law permits foreign companies to onshore locally. Thirdly, the new Industry Master Plan 2030 pressure high-value product. Also, the government wants local industry to improve and build close links inside the country. The development bring great benefits. It helps the country sell more goods overseas, creates professional jobs for local people. Development have value product and brings better new technology. However, Malaysia still faces one big problem. It has to make local supplies stronger and keep development high-tech manufacturing in the future. This is all about Malaysia. Next page. Let's talk about Vietnam's FDI beside manufacturing growth. Vietnam users use open investment ruler build industry park and export zones to drive foreign manufacturing companies. Its government carry out 4 main plans. It development factories that make goods for export. Builds plenty for industry park. Give help to export process area and connect its economic to global product chains. Those effects bring many good results. Manufacturing product become large. More working positions are provided for citizens. Export volume grows quickly, and the country finishes fast industry development. Even with those achievements, Vietnam has a clear challenge now. It still relies too much on foreign companies and cheaper low-cost workers. It needs to break anyway from the situation in last development. Okay, thank you.
Now, we will present the comparison between Malaysia and Vietnam, together with our conclusion. From our comparison table, the two countries have distinct policy focus. Malaysia targets industry upgrading and high-value industry and high-value manufacturing, while Vietnam concentrates on export-oriented manufacturing and industry parks. Malaysia gains skilled jobs and teach progress from FDI, yet face barriers in local supplier development. Vietnam has low-cost labor advantages but struggles with foreign firm dependence and low-skilled workforce limits. Both countries use FDI to push manufacturing, employment and export. In conclusion, government policies must link FDI with local firms, skilled labor and technology transfer to achieve inclusive and long-term sustainable economic growth.